Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever felt that gut-wrenching pang of dread when your electric vehicle's battery starts acting up? That hefty repair bill looming like a dark cloud? Well, buckle up, because today we're tackling EV battery repair, the DIY way. We're going to explore how you can potentially save a serious chunk of change by tackling some repairs yourself. Now, before we dive in, I need to be upfront. While I'll be sharing what I've learned and some general knowledge, I haven't found any specific, recently published, detailed research on this precise topic. So, this is more of a general guide based on the principles of EV battery technology and some common sense DIY approaches. Let's be clear, working on EV batteries is not a walk in the park. This isn't like changing your car's oil. We're dealing with high voltage, complex systems, and potentially hazardous materials. Safety is absolutely paramount. Always prioritize your safety, and if you're not comfortable working with electricity or complex mechanical systems, leave this to the professionals. Seriously, I'm not liable if you accidentally fry yourself or your car. So, what kind of repairs are we talking about? Well, let's start with the most common issues. One of the biggest headaches could be individual cell failure within the battery pack. Imagine a battery pack as a giant Lego castle, made up of many smaller Lego bricks, the cells. If one brick cracks or malfunctions, it can affect the entire structure. Now, while replacing individual cells can be done, it's extremely challenging. You need specialized tools, diagnostic equipment, and a solid understanding of the battery management system (BMS). That's the brains of the operation, controlling the charging, discharging, and overall health of each cell. Messing with the BMS incorrectly can be extremely dangerous and could even render your entire battery pack unusable. Another common issue is damaged connectors or wiring. These are often easier to fix, potentially involving simple soldering or replacing damaged cables. However, you'll still need to be incredibly careful with the high voltage involved. Always disconnect the battery pack completely before attempting any work, and even then, treat it with the utmost respect. Think of it like handling a very angry, very powerful, and very expensive wasp nest. Then there's the issue of thermal management. EV batteries generate heat during use, and improper cooling can lead to reduced performance and even cell damage. This is usually a more complex repair, often involving replacing cooling components or even repairing damage to the battery pack's casing. Again, a high degree of technical expertise and the right tools are essential. Now, before you start envisioning yourself as the next MacGyver of electric vehicle repair, let's talk about the reality of DIY battery repair. The sheer complexity and potential dangers make it a task best suited for those with significant electrical and mechanical experience. Even then, finding replacement parts might be a significant hurdle, and the cost of specialized tools can quickly add up. In many cases, it might be more cost-effective to simply replace the entire battery pack, especially considering the potential risks involved in DIY repairs. But there's value in understanding the basics. Knowing how the system works can empower you to better maintain your EV battery, potentially extending its lifespan and preventing costly repairs down the line. Regularly checking your battery's health through your vehicle's onboard diagnostics, following recommended charging practices, and avoiding extreme temperatures can make a massive difference. So, while a complete DIY overhaul of your EV battery might not always be feasible, understanding the potential issues and basic repair procedures can be a powerful tool. It allows you to have a more informed conversation with a mechanic, potentially saving you from unnecessary expenses. It also enables you to better assess the risks and rewards before embarking on a repair project. Now, let's talk about what you can do to support this channel. If you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. In closing, remember, safety first. EV battery repair is a challenging undertaking. While understanding the basics can be empowering, always weigh the risks and rewards carefully. Sometimes professional help is the best option, but by approaching this topic with knowledge and caution, you can potentially save money and keep your EV running smoothly for years to come. What are your thoughts on DIY EV battery repair? Let me know in the comments below.